over here in Arden Park. Okay, yeah, this is a big one. It's a real big one. Let's go check out the inside. All right.
You still need some sanitizer?
Yeah, you got some?
Right here.
Where?
See it right there.
Oh yeah, let me get that. Got my hands feeling all icky.
Mr. Sanitizer, man.
Yeah, I need that.
This has got 2 fireplaces in it so far. I'm like, man.
This is nice. It's gonna need a lot of updates. Whole lot, but you know me. Open for the challenge. Oh wow. So they already floor moving. Some nice tile.
Hey, you can go upstairs is different though. You gotta look at that. You can go upstairs. You gotta come look at this. That's right here.
That ain't no big deal.
What about this look? This is like 4 bathrooms, stuff like that. Did you? The master bedroom was oh, yeah, you got work to do.
Nah, this ain't that much bigger than my house.
Man, this guy like 3 bed. Look at this. Go in this room right here. Look at this room.
Right here?
Right. Oh, excuse me. Look at this. This is the bathroom, the room. And
Yeah,
then
this
room over here.
It's a master suite.
This.
This would be a closet.
This is somebody's closet.
I would hope, cause I hope that ain't the closet. Yeah, this would be the closet.
Oh, they got a lot oh, look at the backyard view though. Yeah. This is somebody's closet?
Bro.
I guess,
Yeah.
because it's got shelves and, funny shoes and shit.
Yeah, this the closet. Cause I got this little tiny closet over here, but ain't no way that's the only closet. Not for a house this size.
Look at, this is another one. This is humble, you know what I'm saying? This is humble. 2 closets. See, this is about the size of my apartment right here.
Nigga, so
Man,
it's nice though, but
yeah. How many bedrooms is this thing?
I think it's 7. Got one right here. Yeah, this a bedroom. 1, 2. That's 3.
4.
Uh,
Well, I don't
I
know
think
what
this is
4.
this is a bedroom. This would be 4, and I think it's.
We got a basement too?
Yeah, of course. I think it's 2 bedrooms down the main floor, so it might be 6, not 7. Let's see.
How much they want for this?
$350. But they need a.
$350,000?
Yeah. But it's nice though. I just thought it was bigger. Okay, this is, I don't know. I guess this is a bedroom right here. I don't know what this is actually, but That's another. How do you get downstairs? I guess you gotta go through over here.
That's a bathroom? Damn. It's just a bathroom with a toilet?
It's just a little outhouse. I don't know, but oh, they got what's this up here? Hold on, bro. I gotta get my camera. All right. Oh shoot. Maybe it is bigger than I thought. It's a whole nother bunch of stuff. God damn.
Should wear your shoes.
I know. Come on, man, you breaking stuff.
Who gonna be walking up all these stairs?
Okay, so this the other two bedrooms. I mean, if that's
God,
what you want to call it. Yeah, I see.
this is
Oh, what the? Man, it's like a maze up here.
boy, you could be up here. They wouldn't even know you were there.
Okay, yes, it's a lot bigger than I thought. Now,
Yeah, they got a
I
bathtub.
mean, look, there's like more room back here. Yeah, they got it sectioned off kind of weird, like a flat. They got it sectioned off like a family flat.
This is
Nah.
Hey, you can play hide and seek up in here, boy.
Mm-hmm.
You be like,
See, I turned it. Damn,
what's in here?
more bedrooms. I think yeah, it is 7. So that's what we get 4 up
This is
there.
small. This is like for a kid.
Yeah, it's like a little kid room. So that's what's that? 4, 5, 6. I think that would be. This would be 7 over here. Well, this an attic. No, this ain't no room. It's just an attic.
Closet.
No, it's an attic.
I'm talking about over here.
Yeah. It's just a decent sized attic though. I would frame it out. I
You
definitely.
make this a room, wouldn't you?
Heck yeah. I definitely frame it out.
Yeah. You know how you get.
Back down. Yeah, I wonder why they put the steps back here. So this house here is in. Oh, here. You want to go in?
I'm waiting for you.
Okay, well. Oh. This one. See, it's way bigger than the look on the. It looks like a trailer damn near on the picture. But anyway. But anyway, this is Mount Clemens, Michigan. I know. I'm just saying, it's falling apart. You see it. You don't really see that. You don't see that too often out in the burbs.
You do.
Not really. I mean, let me rephrase that. You do. You see it a lot in Warren and East Point. Maybe not so much East Point, because they be on it. How many tickets got so far?
They tried to give her a ticket for the grass while.
Oh, yeah, I remember you told me that.
I
Yeah.
was like, what? You put a ticket on my door. I said, I will have to call them.
Yeah, they be tripping.
Because if you see me cutting the grass actively, come on.
This is, I think, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, or 1 bath, or something like that.
After living in a house with more than 1 bathroom, I can never go back to 1 bathroom.
Whoa, that's a big spider.
Ooh, it is. I mean, it's much to do with this yard, but I would need to. I seen a couple ones out here for sale too. I wanted to tell you about.
Well, pull them up. I'll see if I can get in them.
I can't remember where they were. I seen one walking down Fairchild when I was walking down Fairchild. Oh, it's time. You think I've never had a fan one to make the sink go around? That smell real moldish.
It is moldy.
Oh, it's stripped.
It's not stripped, it just don't have a floor. No lights. Well, no lights gotta work. The fans work.
Now having a floor is outrageous.
And it's like unlevel.
Unlevel. Mm-hmm. Oh, that didn't
like it. Ain't gotta worry about the basement.
This is a crack house.
Got little cracks here. That's crazy because it looked from the from the outside, it looked like it was just built, but in here, not so much. It's light work. Yeah, the floor is like unleveled everywhere.
Bro, I just scared the hell out of myself in the mirror.
So this obviously was the kitchen. This is a bedroom. So.
It's a mirror. I thought I was another person.
Oh really? Another whole person?
Yeah.
So the furnace is in, or hot water tank and furnace is in somebody's room. So it's 1, 2. This is an odd, like,
I know.
goofy layout. Where does light switch? Ain't one
Over
over.
there.
So what is this? Nothing. Oh, laundry room.
I looked to the left without the light on. And scared myself.
Oh, something this good looking can't scare nothing.
Yeah, me every day. Every day you be beating me up, Ike.
What's in here? Hold on, let me get my light. There we go, a little better. Oh, so this looked like it used to be a garage. Nah, what is that? That's not a wall. I don't know what they did here. It's on the slab though. Cute art. So this is a closet. It's a big closet. Could have been a bathroom. Nah, this was a closet for sure. So yeah.
I ain't never met nobody who don't value their teeth as much as you.
So there's really 2 bedrooms, I guess, but you can call it 3. No, that's 3. That's a bedroom right there.
Oh, what's that on the ceiling?
The attic.
No. Jimi Hendrix?
Jimmy. Good old Jim. So it's open concept. I don't know, it's decent. Then you got this weird porch situation.
It's called an enclosed porch.
Still weird.
It was an older person to stay in here, so they probably like to look outside like the bugs.
It would be nice though with a bunch of plants or whatever.
This dress is wild. It's a piece of paper.
Oh, you talking about Okay. Not bad. I like it. Little mailbox way up here.